everyone, here is Rahul Rao from Horticulture Rejuvenation. Something brought me on screen for the first time and that is poinsettia. I have been getting queries from past few days that how to take care of poinsettia during summers. This poinsettia is in its third summer and it already survived 2 summers. Last summer was quite an intense one. It almost shooted 45 degrees Celsius and above 40 degrees Celsius has been constant. This summer is almost 40 degrees Celsius and it is going to be going to be more intense in coming days. And if your plant has survived till now, as it is starting of May, and if your plant has survived till now, it should survive rest of the summer. So what environment I am providing and what environment I have been providing in past few years, let's see. What environment you should provide during summers. Now, in terms of sunlight, it will survive in most of the cases during winter, like in indirect sunlight, in partial shade, even in whole day sunlight, 5 to 6 hours it will survive if it has settled. So you won't see much issue during winters, and when it will enter into spring, I will suggest that provide some indirect sunlight. 2 to 3 hours of morning sunlight will be sufficient during spring, and whole day indirect sunlight would be good for plant. And when it will enter into summer, you have to shift it to shade, and with that you have to provide 2 to 3 hours of sunlight. Now 2 to 3 hours of sunlight should be of morning, not of noon, because the intensity of sunlight during summer is very high during summer. So you don't have to provide noon sunlight, you have to provide morning sunlight during summer. In terms of watering water when soil becomes dry, check for the moisture by touching the soil, and if you feel that soil is soggy, you shouldn't be watering. Overwatering can lead to root rot and kill your plant, so you do not have to overwater during summers. This is one of the major part of poinsettia, that many people overwater during summer, and most of the plants are killed due to overwatering during summer and rest of the seasons. In terms of moisture, plant likes to be in moist environment, so you should be providing moisture to plant during summer. So you can provide moisture by surrounding with other plants, or you can keep water in a tray with pebbles and keep 2-3 trays, surround your plant with that tray. So it is very important that plant should be getting moisture during summers, because during winters moisture remains in environment, and if you'll see that if you would have observed, at least 40% moisture remains in environment during winter, and during summers it drops to almost 15 to 20%. So you have to take care of moisture, you have to provide your plant moisture. So in terms of sunlight, in terms of watering, in terms of moisture, you have to keep 3 things in mind that will help your plant to survive during summers. And leaves may shed during the summer, because you can see that leaves have become dull and not that vibrant, so it is not that rejuvenated. So you have to observe that during summer. And one more thing, that during monsoon it will lift its dormancy and it will revive from dormancy, and leaves will start thriving. It will start thriving leaves, and in that period of monsoon, after starting of monsoon, you have to keep your plant outdoor, where it can get good amount of rainwater. Rainwater will rejuvenate the plant, and it will thrive green leaves. And because red leaves thrives only during winters, when temperature is comparatively low, that is below 16 degrees Celsius approximately. So you have to keep certain things in mind, that especially during monsoon you have to bring the plant outdoor, and it could and during monsoon I don't think that there is much of sunlight, so most of the time it is cloudy, so you can keep it in outdoor with full 5 to 6 hours of sunlight, so it will survive good in that condition. Even it will revive from dormancy, and it will thrive leaves. So during monsoon you have to keep your plant outdoor, where it can get rainwater and it will get rejuvenated in that period. So after that, you know that winter care is quite simple for the plant, and it will love during winter, and it will thrive red leaves during winter. You can read the blog in Horticulture Rejuvenation website about poinsettia. I've shared that, and do read it and give the insight how your plant has survived, if your plant has survived during summer, and what if it hasn't survived. It's a part to understand that how plant reacts in different conditions. As I am from tropical condition, temperatures goes really high, so do tell about it. We'll keep learning about plants, that how plants act in different atmosphere. Many of the people stays in different region, like Pune, like Bangalore, Delhi. There are variation of temperatures and there are different regions. So do tell in comment that how your plant is doing in different regions. So do tell if you like the video and share to someone who wants to know about poinsettia summer care.